First day I walked into Richards Collision Center was 10 years ago, and as soon as I walked in the door, I was greeted with a warm welcome, friendly smile, and very eager to give me a friendly and reasonable estimate. And from then on, they've treated me like a valued customer, and I would never go anywhere else. Richards Collision Center is very efficient. They have a very keen eye to detail, so every repair has been spot on. It's convenient. I love it that Enterprise Rent-A-Car is right next door. I take 5 steps, I have my car, and then when I return, again, very easy drop-off, and I'm on the road again. I've referred my friends and family to Richards Collision Center over the years, and everybody has came back and said similar things that I have, how efficient, proficient they are, how friendly and welcoming, and the convenience factor. I couldn't be more satisfied with the service all the way around, from customer service to the auto body repair work that they do.